కరోనా పేషెంట్లను ఆదుకునేందుకు ప్లాస్మా పేషెంట్లు ముందుకు రావాలన్నారు గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్. ప్లాస్మా దాతలందరినీ ఒకే వేదికపైకి తీసుకురావాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు. హైదరాబాద్ సనత్ నగర్లోని ఈఎస్ఐ హాస్పిటల్లోని బ్లడ్ బ్యాంక్ను గవర్నర్ సందర్శించారు. అక్కడ ప్లాస్మా సేకరిస్తున్న తీరును పరిశీలించారు.
I congratulate Professor Srinivas, not only performing as the Dean of this ESIC Medical College, but has come out courageously as a successful frontline warrior after his treatment after 17 days. And he has now tested negative, but in spite of that he wanted every one of us to be very safe. So with physical distance I have wished him all success, and he is a role model, because need not panic about the situation, and because of our situation, if we acquire the virus also, we can come out successfully, safely after the treatment. That only Dr. Srinivas is standing here as an example. So another thing, who are all having symptoms and who have contact history, kindly get tested, because doctors like him treated patients with COVID and they acquired the virus. So please, kind enough to the society. So plasma can be donated. A patient who recovered can save a patient who is suffering. So it's a humanitarian donation. But there are lot of misconceptions about the plasma donation. So my aim is very proactively, because ESIC Medical College is having all the requirements for a plasma bank and plasma donation. So I want to inspect all the facilities, and they are having all the facilities to separate the plasma, to test the donors. The donors, I should say, all of the people who have all got treated cannot be the donors. They should have the antibodies. They should not have the antigens. So IgG antibodies, adequate number they should have. When I inquired with the doctors here, they told they tested 60 people and 4 of them had adequate antibodies and they are the potential donors. So everyone cannot donate. Who all got treated, who had mild symptoms and who were asymptomatic, they cannot donate. But the patients who had severe symptoms and they develop antibodies are the warriors fighting against the disease. So when we are fighting against the disease, our body produces antibodies. So when that antibodies through the plasma, it is given to the patients who are suffering, they will be rescued and saved. So very proactively, as a catalyst, not only as a governor, as a catalyst to save the patients of Telangana, to save the people of Telangana, I want to act as a catalyst so that between the ESIC and the people and the government, so that no patient in Telangana should die want of plasma, should lose their life for want of plasma. Everyone should be saved, should not leave a single life. That is my aim. Santosh, he is a plasma donor. He suffered and he was rescued, recovered, and now is kind enough to donate the plasma. So I appreciated his service. So I congratulate Santosh for your kind heartedness, and really I appreciate you. So I appreciate he is a role model and he has come to again to donate. So all the misconceptions, because I am very pained by receiving the request for plasma. Yesterday 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, midnight, my inbox and my WhatsApp filled with requests for plasma. Such a painful situation. So I want to streamline the plasma donors. With the help of Srinivas, the Dean of ESIC, and all the hematologists, because this is the transfusion medicine. This is one of the hospital which have all the facilities for plasma donation, and here qualified people, qualified for transfusion medicine. So they can help the people of Telangana by organizing a plasma bank so that a portal can be created